Hello kids, please subscribe my channel and enjoy my new video.
The Princess and the Prince. Once upon a time, in a land far away, there lived a kind princess named Lily. She loved to explore the beautiful gardens around her castle, where she would pick flowers and listen to the birds sing. One day, while wandering near a sparkling river, she met a handsome prince named Leo. He was brave and gentle, with a heart as pure as hers. They talked and laughed, sharing stories about their kingdoms and dreams. As days passed, Lily and Leo spent more time together, discovering how much they cared for each other. They explored enchanted forests, rode horses through golden fields, and even danced under the stars at grand royal balls. Their friendship blossomed into love, a love so strong that it brought joy to their kingdoms. The people of both lands celebrated their union, for they knew that Princess Lily and Prince Leo were meant to be together. One bright and sunny day, the two were married in a beautiful ceremony surrounded by flowers, music, and the cheers of their happy people. From that day on, they ruled their kingdoms with kindness and wisdom, always side by side. And so, Princess Lily and Prince Leo lived happily ever after, their love shining as brightly as the stars in the night sky. This simple and charming love story is perfect for kids, filled with warmth, adventure, and the magic of true love. And so, Princess Lily and Prince Leo lived happily.
Thanks for watching my video.